हाँ जी, इंस्टाग्राम की सारी फैमिली नू जय भीम जय भारत जी। ज्वाइन कर लो जल्दी जल्दी, लाइव दे विच जुड़ जाओ। आपां हैं जी लंडन पार्लीमेंट तो लाइव। जल्दी जल्दी लाइव दे विच ज्वाइन हो जाओ। पार्लीमेंट ऑफ लंडन लाइव होए हैं इत्थों, और तुसीं मेरे पिछे देख सकते हैं इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नू सेव करन लई, डेमोक्रेसी नू सेव करन दे लई, ईवीएम नू बैन करन दे लई कल्ले इंडियंस नहीं, इत्थे गोरियां ने भी जिहड़ा आ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और ये प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है। देख सकते हैं तुसीं पिछे पार्लीमेंट ऑफ लंडन उहदे बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट जिहड़ा आ ये चल रहा है पूरे दा पूरा प्रोटेस्ट।
Against human rights advocates and the unjust incarceration of human rights defenders. Archbishop of Imphal claims that 249 churches were burnt in Manipur, as this was reported in the Indian Express. A recent book written by Christoph Jaffarov, Modi's India, provides a comprehensive analysis of the rise of BJP as a dominant electoral force under the guise of Hindu nationalism and the rise of ethnic democracy. Since the rise of BJP RSS hegemony, a new language has emerged more powerfully than before. Words like Hindutva, Sangh Parivar, Moditva, that is the personalization of power and heroization of one man. Rise of Bajrang Dal, Sangh Parivar's armed wing, Hinduizing the public space, the crusade against liberals, targeting of minorities, anti-Christian xenophobia, recurrent mobilization against Muslims, a de facto Hindu Rashtra, vigilantes and control of state administration, the rise of parallel state, digital vigilantism, physical violence against secularists, slow death of the right to information. The Supreme Court, from resistance to surrender, electoral authoritarianism, judicial majoritarianism, which prepared the ground for Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Redefining citizenship on an ethno-religious basis, Citizenship Amendment Act, National Population Register, dilution of reservation, Ghar Wapsi, anti-conversion laws, demonetization, Gau Rakshak vigilantism, lynching in the name of cow protection, chanting of Jai Shri Ram during violence and hate campaigns, control of media, the weakening of election commission, the decline of parliament, BJP MPs chanting Modi, Modi in Indian parliament.
मोदी दा विरोध लंडन दी पार्लीमेंट दे फ्रंट ते हो रहा है बहुत जबरदस्त।
To wake up and take serious note of the world's largest democracy, that is India.
वीडियो नु ज़्यादा तो
under the guise of majoritarianism, how it is turning into a terrorist state through a suppression and